are a labour solution business, and with labour you're limited to the hours a day that you can work. You can't, you can only do 12 hours a day. So for us to keep growing in a business and be dynamic, it was an opportunity to move into part sales as well. Yeah, well, in terms of numbers, it's like having another 3 guys on site for revenue. The challenges are there for sure with making sure you're staying on top of your stock levels, and you're making sure that you're invoicing as fast as you can and getting your return. We've put some tools in place with BOA that have helped us out with even stock replacement. This is all new to the business that I'm involved in, so we've tailored some solutions there to get the stock here faster, and also with managing stock levels of certain things and what we need. And we found it a little bit difficult in the beginning to manage the forethought of, because we are so remote as an operator, we struggled a little bit with how much stock we would actually need on hand, but we've come to a pretty comfortable place now and it's working well. The app that BOA has, anyone can pick it up and use it, and you're guaranteed to get your stock reordered. Your fittings are crimped and measured, and that's recorded with each invoice. It's less time for me tracking stock numbers and making sure that everything's been reordered. It's all ready to go. BOA are an excellent business to work with. They've been very supportive of every direction I've needed to go in or wanted to go in, and very helpful for any challenges that we've had. They also are a dynamic business that are changing all the time, so they're on their toes. They know what's got to happen for the market, and it's a breath of fresh air to work with a company that's so willing to make changes and work with you. BOApod's the only thing like it. I can come there as a diesel fitter and complete my repairs and then offer that service as well. You don't get that anywhere else.